What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to bypass a survey. So you will need Google and search up download game caps lock download game free.net. Link will be in the description below. Do whichever one you'd like. Let's see. I'm gonna go with Grand Theft Auto 4. Then you should go to this right here. Click it, and it should pop this box up. And if you right click, nothing happens. So you want to press F12 or CTRL, which stands for control. So you want to press CTRL, Shift, and I at the same time. So let's try. And then there's a little box that pops up right here. Go all the way down. And then when you see overlay, go under it, right click, and press delete. Then delete overlay. And that's how you do it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below of other videos, and see you next time. Peace.